must be at least a foot tall.
No, it's not, Grandma.
Has this ever happened to you, fighting with a loved one over cat size? Well, you're in luck. With the cat measurer. So portable it can fit in a purse. This new patent design lets you breathe while you walk anywhere. It works perfectly. It's a foot! Call now and we'll double the offer.
Well, that was my new invention. I think it's pretty handy, especially since I don't have cats. I'm eating raisins. But what's your invention that you could make out of household appliances? Can it top my cat measurer? I don't know, so let's find out. Leave a video response down below of your invention and maybe we'll show off the best. And maybe we won't, because I am unpredictable, just like Ohio's weather. Now it's time for
Comments.
time to address your comments. K-R-E-I-O-N said, "You look like you're 30. Actually, I'm 42. Millie564 said, "Go ham." Go salami. OMG at OMG said, what? Yes. Oh yeah, it's Claire said, "You look a lot like Alfie from Pointless Blog TV if he had a wig and an accent." Fan art. Arthur Ferriera made me this. Thanks again for all of your comments and your fan art and your viewership and your
SoulPancake, subscribe!